Yes, welcome again. So in this one I'll be making a simple top hinge, yeah, for the silage making machine. Remember, if you're new here, consider subscribing, because this is a design based learning style that I'm using. So in the long run you learn a lot of things, yeah. So give this 3 millimeters of thickness like that, and I'm going to do a simple plane. Flip the offset, it's through 20 millimeters, just like that. From here I can decide to adjust it a bit, so I'll make it normal like this, and I'll do another sketch. Start with the midpoint like this, then up. So come here like that. Do 25 millimeters, 25 millimeters. Now this will also be 25. So on this guy, yes, I'm going to undo this a bit and fix that, so that when I adjust this 25, it remains like that. Yeah. So the next part is going to be drawing a tangent curve or an arc to that point like that. Then I'm going to draw a hole that is 10 mm diameter, and from here I'm going to extrude. I can use sheet metal, reverse the direction, 40 mm. Oops, into this. So I'm going to mirror, and now I'm going to do it by simply saying reference plane, select this, then I flip. This is 200. time round. So that should be centered, and I'll come and say mirror, select that guy of mine, then move like that. So this is it, this is the hinge, and thank you for watching. Please, if you're new, consider subscribing. Some more videos regarding this are coming up. Thank you so much.